Hey everyone, we've got a 15-minute full body HIIT today, and if you need a workout schedule, check out my website for the MOVEmber schedule. Before we start, I just want to share that I dropped some merch on my website recently. We've got some shorts, joggers, tanks, crops, and crew necks, so check them out. Smash that like button and let's get into the workout. We've got 3 sets today, 30 seconds on and 10 to 30 seconds off. There's no jumping, low impact variations, so make sure you go at your own pace. Let's start the workout with skaters. Jump to one side and land softly with your knee bent. Try to keep your balance on one leg and bring the other leg behind you. For low impact, just do without the jumps. No rest here, we'll go straight into shuffle crunch. Shuffle to one side and do a little crunch and then repeat on the other side. This will bring your heart rate up further. Short 10 seconds rest now, and we've got burpee jacks. Start in the plank and jump both legs forward, then get up and do a jack. I know burpees aren't everyone's favorite, so take your time and go slow for a lower impact alternative. No rest here, mountain climbers are next. Engage your core and keep your pace up. Short rest here, and we've got squat, jump and tap. Start with a squat and jump up and land softly, then tap your foot and repeat. Leave out the jump for low impact. You're doing great guys, but kicks are next. Kick your legs back, touching your butt, and for low impact, just take it nice and slow. Just 2 more exercises and we're done with the first set. Keep going guys. Rest up guys, tuck jump, high knees are next. Start in a quarter squat, then jump up high, bring your knees up, then land softly. Then do a couple of high knees and repeat. If you're starting to feel tired, just swap to the low impact alternative. They're here to help you out. Finishing the workout is what matters.
That I'm invincible, nobody gon' bring me down.
No rest here, high knees are next. We've got a longer rest coming up, so don't give up now. 20 seconds rest here, catch your breath, and that's set 1. You're doing great.
Nobody gon' bring me down.
Alright, let's get back in with skaters. No rest here, lateral lunges are next. Lunge to one side, then jump back into the middle, then off to the other side and lunge. This is a great exercise for your legs, so just make sure you do it in good form so you don't hurt your knees. Rest up guys, pop squats are next. Start in a regular squat, then jump up, then bring both feet in, then jump back out again into a squat and repeat. Make sure you're engaging your core and your glutes here. Keep going, we are almost there. No rest here, we're going straight into lunges. Bring one leg back and lunge. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes. Work those legs and engage your core and glutes here too. Ten seconds rest now and we've got tuck jump squats. We're almost halfway through the workout, not long to go. Start in a quarter squat again, then jump up, bring your knees up to your hips level, then land softly. Then do a full squat and repeat. You can always do the low impact variation if you're feeling tired. No rest here, let's slow things down with a simple jog in place. Just a couple more and that'll be set 2. You got this. Ten seconds rest now, and next we've got reverse lateral lunges. Start by bringing one leg to the side and lunge, then back to the middle, then now bring the same leg back into a reverse lunge. Keep going, we're almost done with the second set. No rest here, let's swap to the other leg. We've got longer rest coming up, so keep pushing guys, you can do it.
Fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
30 seconds rest here, feel free to grab some water, catch your breath or pause the video here if you need a longer break.
But maybe there's is magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Time for the final set, guys. Just 5 more minutes to go. Get on your mat and let's start the workout with bear crawl sit kick. Start on all fours, then lift your knees off the mat. Now start crawling forward by bringing your left hand and right leg forward simultaneously, and then crawl forward 3 or 4 times. You can end it with a sit kick or just do bear crawls only. We're not taking any break here, straight into burpees, followed by some jumping jacks, and repeat. Again, you can do low impact alternatives if you need to. Ten seconds rest here, and next up we've got plank jacks. Get into a high plank position and bring both legs out and back in. You can take it slow if you are getting tired. Great job, guys. 10 seconds rest now. Flip around and lay on your mat. We've got reverse crunch. Lift your hips off the mat using your core muscles. Do it nice and controlled and engage your core. Just 4 more exercises to go now. Flip around and we've got dolphin plank coming up. Start in a low plank, then lift your hips up like so, then back into a low plank. Make sure you're engaging your core here. Great work, guys. Now sit on your mat again, and it's time for some core work with in and outs. Make sure your back is straight and you're using your core muscles here. Remember to breathe. Get into a plank, and we've got plank with hip dips. We're almost done. Just 1 more exercise after this. Keep going. Final 10 seconds rest here, catch your breath, and we're moving on to the final exercise, bicycle crunches. Bring one knee in, touching the opposite elbow, then off to the other side. We're almost there, keep going, guys. This is the last exercise, keep pushing. And that's the workout, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this 15-minute HIIT workout. Please smash that like button so this video reaches more people. Leave me a comment down below on what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.